When we talk about collaboration, it's one thing to study it, it's another thing to experience it, which is why we like to use the metaphor of a jazz ensemble, which is a learning organization and can teach us powerful principles about how to collaborate effectively. An organization's only real competitive advantage is its ability to be able to collaborate. So let's see how this works. A groove is about alignment. Watch what happens when we play without alignment. Ready? Begin. Stop. I think what we need is a little bit of alignment. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. For collaboration to be effective, each of us have to attain a certain level of personal mastery. The greater the level of mastery I have on my instrument, the greater contribution I can make to the music. So let's illustrate this concept of personal mastery using a solo. Wow, how did you get to where you can do that?
And it takes a lot of practice, a lot of time in the woodshed.
Hours, weeks, days?
Nah, years. And I've got to be able to do that for two reasons, because I enjoy it, but also it's so that I can be of value to the people that I'm lucky enough to play with.
So the greater level of personal mastery you have, the greater contribution you can give to the music and those that you perform with.
Absolutely.
Awesome. It's really no different for educators or for organizations. We can take personal responsibility, we can assess the things that we're weak at, and then we can go into our own woodshed to work to improve those so that we contribute more to those that we work with. So let's model this. Try a more middle finger and then first finger. Yeah, like faster. Yeah, fast and lower. Yeah. And then you know, try this one and then this one and then this one. Yeah, like 1, 2, 3 and then 4 and then yeah. Try some fast notes right up here. Yeah, then lower ones again. You know, fast and slow, low and high. Yeah, yeah. That's kind of. Yeah, like, you know, lower, higher, lower, higher, lower, higher, so it has more contrast, you know, and then, yeah, these two. Wow. Wow. A great example of dialogue is call and response, where one musician plays an idea, a call, and another musician listens and plays something to complement that, a response. So it'll look a little like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.